Hello and welcome back to my nail Pura. Our video today is a face oil, and this face oil is for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, definitely stay tuned. If you do not have sensitive skin, don't worry, I will be making face oils for different skin issues. But you can also learn from the ingredients I'm going to be using for this face oil as well. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I am the owner of Nail Pura. I run this business with my husband from our flat in London. So let's jump right on into that video. We're making a dry skin face oil, or face oil for dry skin, and the ingredients are pretty simple. So we're going to start off with our scale and our beaker. And to that, we are making a 15 grams batch of this face oil. So we're going to start off with our jojoba oil. So jojoba oil, we need 3.6 grams. And then we need avocado oil as well, 3.6 grams. And we're adding rose hip oil, or rose hip seed oil. We're adding 2.85 grams. Sweet almond oil also 2.85 grams. And then we have sea buckthorn oil. We need 1.73 grams. And then vitamin E, we need 0.15 grams. Lavender essential oil we're using, and we're using this for its calming and comforting qualities, and we need 0.5 grams. Now what's left to do is for us to mix all our ingredients together, and the color is absolutely stunning, by the way. I love how the rose hip oil, but especially the sea buckthorn oil, gives this face oil a really pretty color. I thought this was a 15 ml bottle when I ordered it, but I'm starting to think it might be 10. So let's zoom into this as we pour. Okay. Yeah, so you still have a little bit, quite a bit of oil left over for a 15 grams. But yeah, I think this might be a 10 ml bottle. So we're gonna cover our bottle up, and this is what it's looking like. Isn't this color pretty? I was just going to label it real quick. Where's it going? I've just finished making the face oil. I think it's a really good face oil. It's really lightweight. The scent that I use is a good scent that you can use for sensitive skin, but if your skin is overly sensitive, you don't have to use a scent. You can opt for the scentless option, or there's a scent that your skin can tolerate, that you can use that scent as well. And you just use whatever you prefer or whatever works for your skin. But when it comes to sensitive skin, some people prefer not to use fragrance or essential oils at all. Some people can tolerate low level of essential or fragrance oil. And sometimes when you're using something on your skin or your face, you want to smell a nice scent coming from it. So maybe a low dose might be tolerated by some people, so that they can enjoy the feel and the scent and the smell of what you're using and what you're putting on your face. Thank you for making it this far into this video. If you have and you're not subscribed to the channel, or this is the second time you're watching the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, smash the notification bell so you're notified when more videos are uploaded. Follow us on all our social media as well. We'll be posting some stuff on our social media. You can also shop our website, nailpura.com. It's currently on the screen and it's in the description box below. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, for leaving comments in on our videos. Really appreciate you, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.